Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off age restriction on YouTube. So first, open up your YouTube app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, all you need to do is tap these settings, and from the settings, tap on general, and then scroll down until you find this restricted mode. Now right here, as you can see, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings only applies to this app on this device. So you just need to toggle this off to turn off this age restriction on YouTube so you can view all the mature content on your YouTube app. Or you can also check your account or your personal info. So just go back to the homepage, and then all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. Now from here, tap on personal info and then go to birthday. So as you all know, if your age is below 18, YouTube will hide all the mature content on your YouTube application. So you need to make sure that is above 18 so you can edit this one so it will turn off the age restriction. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.